The Aprilia Tuono 660 has been a standout in the middleweight naked segment, and for 2025, it gets even better. With its aggressive styling, advanced electronics, and a powerful yet manageable parallel twin engine, the Tuono 660 continues to be a top choice for riders who want sport bike performance with everyday usability. The 2025 model retains its signature twin spar aluminum frame, keeping it lightweight and agile. Aprilia has fine-tuned the suspension setup, offering improved damping and a slightly more compliant ride for both spirited canyon carving and daily commuting. The KYB front fork remains fully adjustable, while the rear shock is revised for better feedback and comfort. Powering the Tuono 660 is the same 659cc parallel twin engine, delivering around 100 horsepower. However, Aprilia has worked on refining the throttle response and power delivery, making it smoother and more predictable. The engine retains its unique 270-degree firing order, giving it a characterful exhaust note that sets it apart from other bikes in its class. The 6-speed gearbox remains crisp, with an up-down quickshifter now coming as standard, making gear changes effortless. One of the highlights of the 2025 Tuono 660 is its advanced electronics suite. The ride-by-wire throttle system is integrated with multiple riding modes, traction control, wheelie control, and cornering apps. Aprilia's Performance Ride Control (APRC) system has been further refined, offering even better stability and confidence when pushing the bike to its limits. The TFT display now features updated graphics, making it easier to navigate through settings and riding data. In terms of design, the 2025 Tuono 660 stays true to its sharp and aggressive styling but introduces new color options and graphics. The aerodynamic winglets, inspired by its bigger sibling, the Tuono V4, not only enhance the bike's looks but also contribute to better high-speed stability. LED lighting remains standard, with a distinctive front end design that ensures the Tuono 660 stands out on the road. Braking performance is another strong suit of the Tuono 660, with Brembo calipers providing excellent stopping power. The dual 320mm front discs, combined with the bike's lightweight chassis, ensure precise braking control in all conditions. The rear brake is equally effective, offering good modulation without being too intrusive. Aprilia has also focused on rider comfort, with a slightly revised seat offering better padding for longer rides. The riding position remains sporty but not overly aggressive, striking a perfect balance for both spirited rides and everyday use. The fuel tank design has been slightly reshaped to provide better knee grip, enhancing control during aggressive riding. For 2025, the Aprilia Tuono 660 remains a compelling choice for riders looking for a high-performance middleweight naked bike. With its blend of power, advanced electronics, lightweight chassis, and striking design, it continues to set the benchmark in its segment. Whether you're hitting the twisties, commuting, or even taking it to the track, the Tuono 660 delivers an exhilarating riding experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, comment and subscribe.